powering the infrastructure behind AI. Every AI breakthrough depends on something less visible: critical infrastructure. As AI data centers scale worldwide, demand is rising for advanced power electronics, precise cooling control, and reliable thermal management. Systems that must perform without compromise every second of every day. This is where SVI plays a critical role. SVI manufactures high-complexity electronics that power AI data center infrastructure, from power and cooling control systems to thermal monitoring solutions, built for scalable manufacturing and continuous operation. With deep NPI expertise and a global manufacturing footprint, SVI supports customers from prototype through global production ramp-up, with the precision and reliability that always-on infrastructure demands. Because when AI data center infrastructure must perform without compromise, manufacturing excellence matters. SVI, manufacturing the critical electronics behind AI data center infrastructure.